you know, making
and we're
halwa,
playing tennis with skirts still here and saying, can you be my friend?
But you know, Salman actually wants a girl like that only.
That's why he's not finding, that's why he's single. And who's your third?
My third would be Shah Rukh with anybody, which is a fact.
Did you miss him on set?
Yeah, the first 2-3 days I did. The first 2 days was a bit of, am I on the wrong set types, you know.
Because last time you sat on the couch, you said you can't imagine making a film.
I did mean it, and I did mean it from my heart at that point. But obviously, I can imagine now, and I've done it. So that teaches me never to say never again. But yes, the first 2 days I did miss him, and it was all little odd. And I'm sure it was the same way for Akshay, because the first time I was directing him. But once we got that
rhythm,
that moment when he
did that happen?
That happened in Malchese. I think it was 3rd or 4th day of shoot, and I remember the exact shot in which he got it. He got the character, and and from then.
Let's hear this shot, because when we see the film, we'll know that.
Well, there's a shot where he's conning the village inspector, and you know, and there was one, and he improvised, and the shot was still here, and that guy Arya Babbar, he didn't even know it, and Akshay flicked his gun while giving the shot. And when he went, he picked up the gun and he said, "Gun marli sale ki." And that was it. I was like, shit, I didn't even tell him to do this, you know. And
So
Arya didn't even know. It was in his holster, and he was giving the shot, and while doing it, he took, and when he went off, he had the gun in his hand.
So we're going to see this, right?
Yeah, it's very much on.
Now, there's another thing that you really believe in, that if you believe with all your heart and the universe conspires to get what you want. Did you not believe with all your heart that you could make up with Shah Rukh then?
No, maybe I'm not believing with my whole heart, but the minute, see, I don't think the universe will conspire also. I think it's just Shah Rukh and me will just pick up the phone, and
one day, now it'll be as simple as that.
It'll be as simple as that. I don't need the universe to conspire for that.
So does that mean that you don't even talk to each other now?
No, of course we talk, but it's not, see, with Shah Rukh anyways, it was not like I should talk to him regularly. He's really, really busy. And he used to have that,
soulmates,
and he used to have that irritating habit of not replying back to SMSs of anybody. So I was not even his SMS. It was not like that. Yeah, but it's been a long time since I've met him, and I'm sure we'll bump in at some really inane place,
and it'll just happen.
It'll just be fine.
And do you have to be in a camp because you're not talking to him and you're
I'm really not an outdoor person. I hate camps or camping. I'm an indoor girl.
On a couch.
On a couch.
Tell me, this the dance that she does at one step where
the belly is
like,
moving.
Yeah, that tuck, tuck, tuck and tuck, tuck, tuck.